afternoon, sir. I'm Joanna Marie del Carmen, 33 years old. I'm married. I have two sons. My eldest is 13 and my youngest is 11 years old. My work experience as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia in 3 years. They have 7 members of family. 17, next is 9, 8, 3, and 2 years old. And also, I do everything inside the house. Cooking, washing clothes, cleaning the house, the car, taking care of the baby, take them to school, preparing their foods in school every day. And also, I'm not afraid to pet. I love pet. I am willing to share my knowledge to your kids. I will treat them like my own kids. I can also help them in any activities in school, homework. And then also, I will treat you and your family like my own family. I'm hardworking, honest, trustworthy. If you choose me, it's my honor. And I will do my best to serve your family with full of love and care. Thank you.